Right, so we have critters eating us alive. My cat brought in fleas to our home and I've been trying to eradicate them. I've cleared the cat of fleas and now I need to clear the house. I was recommended this critter kill smoke bomb to use in each room as it's supposed to be quite effective. They come in a pack of 6 and this is what it looks like. There are some important things to do before using these bombs. Firstly, I want to ensure the room is clear of any food, drink stuff, and any perishables, as they say. I need to make sure there's no animals in the room, fish, cats, dogs. Sometimes my cat loves to run under the sofa, so we have to check under there, make sure there's no cats in there, and they're not allowed to come back in that room until I've done the smoke bomb and cleared the room with opening the windows back and everything. It's the only time that my cat would be allowed back in that room. You also want to open up the drawers in case there's eggs laying in there, because fleas will lay their eggs everywhere. And make sure all the windows and doors are closed. Seal the door with towels or anything, because the smoke will get into the rest of the house, even though you're going to do that, but you don't really want to smell it. And then finally, I want to make sure I switch off my smoke alarm, because it's likely to be triggered with this smoke. So I'm planning to place only one in this room. So let's do that. So I'm advised to shake the bottle first, which I've done. Just did that. And now I'm going to open it up to show you what's inside. And as you can see, there's a wick. In there is where I'm going to need to light. But they also advise that you make sure you've got it on a good surface. So I've got a nice saucer here that I'm going to leave it on. I put it in the middle of the room, and the next thing I do is pretty much light it. As soon as I've lit it, I need to escape the room. So let's show you what that looks like. Right, so as you see, it goes out and then it just starts smoking. So I will leave that in here in a decent position and come back once it's done.